Jesus Strong and Kind is in the key of C, and in this version it uses 7 chords. The first chord that it uses is the C chord, C, E, and G. The second chord is the F chord, F, A, and C. The third chord is the A minor chord, A, C, and E. The fourth chord is the G sus chord, G, C, and D. The fifth chord is the G chord, G, B, and D. The sixth chord is only used in the very last verse, as is the 7th chord, and it's the C major 7 chord. The C chord, if you add a B to it, becomes a C major 7 chord. And the way that I like to play that in this song is to add the B in the right hand. So I'll play the B with my thumb, the C with my second finger, the E with my third finger, and the G with my 5th finger, like this. So that again is the C major 7 chord. And the last chord is the C sus chord, which is C, F, and G. Jesus Strong and Kind has 4 beats per measure, and each chord is going to get 2 beats. So if the same chord is used for the whole measure, I'm going to play it twice. If there are 2 different chords in the measure, then I'll play each one for 2 beats. So the first verse would be C chord to C to F to C to A minor to G sus to C to C to. The second verse, I use a rocking pattern. So in the left hand, I'll use 1 and 5. In the right hand, I'll start with 3 and 5, and then I'll go to the thumb note, and then back to 3 and 5. C, F, C, A minor, G sus, C. For verse 3, I do something similar where I also use 1 and 5 in the left hand and start with 3 and 5 in the right hand. But I'll do 3 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 5, 1, 2, 3, F, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, A minor, G sus, I'll start with 4 and 5, and then do G, C, D, so C, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, and follow that pattern throughout the verse and chorus. Verse 4 is a little bit different. It's going to pull back and get a little bit softer, and so my pattern is also going to get a little bit simpler. I'm starting with the C chord. I'm going to do the full chord in the right hand, but I'm going to start with only the thumb note in the left hand, and then I'll go to 5. Then I do that C major 7 the same way, F, C, A minor, G sus, and C. And then on the very last chorus, I just have fun and do all kinds of crazy stuff.